Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm pretty excited to do another video, a separate video that I mentioned in my previous video, which is about what's in my camera bag in 2019. So in the previous video I showed you guys what I have to carry along when traveling, and in that video as well I also mentioned that these two little guys have been replaced by MacBook Pro. And as I mentioned in that video, the reason why I bring my MacBook Pro is because I need to transfer the photos and the videos from the SD card from my camera onto the MacBook Pro. But the reason is the MacBook Pro is too heavy if I store it in the camera bag, so I decided not to bring it along, and these two things have been completely replaced the MacBook Pro. And in the previous video as well, I mentioned that I can use my smartphone instead of the MacBook Pro to transfer the file from the SD card onto the external hard drive by using my Android device. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into this. Okay, so this is a proper way to read your external hard drive on your Android device. Okay, so first make sure that nothing is plugged into the adapter, and then just plug the adapter into your smartphone and make sure that you choose power supply just once or always, is up to you, and then plug in the external hard drive into the adapter. Normally you have to wait for a few seconds for the smartphone to read the external hard drive. Okay, so while waiting, I would like to show you the app that I'm using. So go to the Play Store and search for Explorer. So this is the app that I'm using, the ES File Explorer File Manager. Okay, so I would like to cut it into this part. So in this part, I would like to show you when I plug the external hard drive at the same time the SD card, the memory card from my Canon. Okay, so as you can see, first of all is the internal storage, the SD card, the micro SD card in my smartphone, and next is the SD card, which is the memory card from the Canon, and the last one is the external hard drive. To know this is to look at the size of each storage. Okay, so now let me go to the SD card from my Canon, go to DCIM 100 Canon, and you can see these are the photos in the memory card and also some videos here. So let me try playing one of the video. Yes, so as you can see, the video is clear and you can read the video quickly, okay, without any lag. That is unbelievable. Okay, so let me try copy this video into the external hard drive. Okay, just hold on the video and select copy, and then go back to home and then select the external hard drive and select paste. When you paste, you will get this message, so just select grant now. Okay, so go to menu on the left hand side and then select choose the external hard drive. Okay, on the left you can see based on the storage available, you can see 279, so just select on that one and then select. Okay, and then you can see it is in the progress now. Okay, and the speed is a bit slow, not fast as expected. Okay, 5 megabytes per second. Okay, so the video is here, so let me try playing it on the external hard drive. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have any problem playing the video. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope this video is beneficial for your trips in the future. If you don't want to miss a video like this, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the alert option. Okay, I hope to see you guys in the next video.